If you're looking for a functional compact SUV with the reliability and safety for your whole family, then take a look at this 2021 Jeep Cherokee Limited in granite crystal metallic. With LED headlamps, front fog lamps, 18-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot and crosspath detection, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 27,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, select terrain system, panoramic sunroof, power liftgate, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 90997A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.